Okay, everybody, this is part two of the question and answer webinar replay that, like I mentioned before, the video portion didn't actually come through. So we have the audio. It's right here in the post that you can download as well if you'd like to listen to that. But I'm trying to cover the main points in some short videos, make it easy for you to see what we had going on. And then, of course, we've got the next one scheduled in just a little over 2 weeks. We'll have another live Q&A, and if you have any kind of questions that you'd like to be able to have answered directly, just submit them to support@mysmartblog.com and request that they be added to the webinar, and we'll cover those live for you to see as well. All of that will be then posted on support.mysmartblog.com, which is our support website, and so you'll be able to reference those anytime you want to be able to get the details. So here we go. On this short video, I'm going to cover three things. The first thing is our dashboard videos that are installed in every smart blog. If you don't see them in your dashboard after I show you what it is, just send in a little note into support asking that they be activated. We'll get them activated on your site. The second thing is the testimonials system in our smart blogs. It's so important to have testimonials on your website, have third-party testimonial evidence of the value you bring to the table in your business, and it's very easy to do. We built a custom tool for you to be able to implement these. It can be video, audio, images, of course text, but it's so important to do. It's so easy to do. I really encourage you to spend a little bit of time doing this, or send in the testimonials, and we can do it through our premium tech support program. And then the last part that we're going to cover is the domain names. Getting a custom domain name for your smart blog is critically important, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. And again, you can get it registered yourself, or we can do it. But I'm going to hop through that. In fact, I'm going to start with domain names. So the first thing we're going to do is go to GoDaddy. There's a lot of different options to register your domain name. I personally think that GoDaddy, after using a lot of different services myself, is just the easiest. They've got great customer service, easy to use. They're reasonably priced. You can usually even find discount online for even as low as right now, I think for $1.99 to register a domain. I tell people all the time, we definitely ask you, we want you to be to have a custom domain on your site. You're better off for a whole bunch of different reasons. I won't get into all of them right at the moment, but understand this. I always recommend that you get your own domain name, simply because then you have control over it, and I think that's the best advice. Now, with that said, it's not about the $10 a year it costs to register it. In fact, we'll do it for you. If you don't have one, you want us to register it, just let us know what you want that name to be, or something close to it, and or you can go and search like I'm going to show you in a second, and then we'll actually register and pay for it for the first year. No worries at all. I mean, as far as that goes, we definitely want you to have a custom domain. Again, it's just because I tell you to do it yourself, simply so that you have control of that going forward in the future in your own account. With that said, show you real quick. You just go to GoDaddy.com. If you wanted to be able to get a domain name, let's just say I want to do Michael Erdman mortgageblog.com, and always use a .com. That's the most powerful and the most important extension there is. There are, of course, a lot of other options, and you can get shorter URLs with the .co or .net, or lots of different ones. They've got .us now. But even so, people still revert back to the .com extension. You're better off to have a .com extension if you can. And usually if you're using something with your name in it and then some keyword, that's kind of the best application that you can use. You'll usually be able to find that with a .com. So we're going to search for that. Just click go. And in that, it takes just a second here, but it'll come back and it'll say that's available. So once I know that's available, I can actually just add it to the cart. They'll try to upsell you a whole bunch of stuff. Don't buy anything else. Just buy the domain. And if you can go and just do a quick search online, just search for GoDaddy discount coupons, and you probably will find a code that you could use to even get a discount on that price. So anyway, the point is, once you register that, then you would just let us know at support that it's registered, and then we'll do the rest of the work. You don't have anything else to do on getting the domain set up other than just let us know that you got it registered and what it is, and we'd of course need the username and password to your account to get that set up for you. So with that said, very important to do. Please, if you don't have a custom domain on your smart blog right now, make that something you do today. Don't wait. Let's get it registered, get it done. It's critically important for you going forward, and especially for your own marketing. It's just easier for people to remember your own custom domain name. So then let's jump over and go into the dashboard. So this is once you log in to your website, you're going to actually go directly to the dashboard. Now, the dashboard may or may not look exactly like mine because I may have it set up a little bit differently. But definitely the things that are here you have access to as well. So if you had custom forums, you could see how many people are using your custom forums. You can put in custom Google Analytics dashboard widget right there so that you can see the traffic, and it shows all the different pages and how many visits people are going there and different things like that. But what I want you to take notice of is this SmartBlog User Video Manual, SmartBlog User Manual, and it has the videos link right here. So you just click on that. And again, if you don't have this installed, if that isn't on when you log into your dashboard, you don't see that SmartBlog User Manual with the videos in there, just let us know, and we just need to activate it in your site. So since it was something we added on longer down the road in the process, a lot of our earlier sites, they don't have it automatically activated. And so we just need you to let us know if you want access to the videos. And it's free, doesn't cost you a dime. They're already in place. We just need to activate it on your site and put in the license key that we purchased for you. So what's great about these, though, is that literally anything you want to know about WordPress is in these videos. And they're always updated with every new iteration that comes out of WordPress. Every update, the videos are updated with the newest information. So it's a really cool tool to be able to use. And so just as an example, if you wanted to know more about just how to add a post, you just go down to the post section, and you could just literally watch each of these videos. They're a couple of minutes long. It doesn't take long at all to go through this, and it's literally step-by-step, point and click, exactly how to add new posts or modify and edit content, anything you want to do right there. You want to be able to add a new page, just go to the pages section and watch these videos. It'll show you exactly what to do. Same thing on putting images into posts or modifying them, resizing, all kinds of cool things that you can do within WordPress itself to edit and modify your images. The videos are right there. So I won't go through each category other than to say there's a lot there. And all you have to do is log into the dashboard. And again, it's in the section that says SmartBlog User Manual, and just click on the videos. Now, if you want, you can also go to the actual user manual itself. And this is an actual like a PDF document that you click on, and it'll actually open up in a way that you can go through each one of these little tabs, and it will tell you exactly what the steps are to use each part of WordPress as well. Just more of like in a book format as opposed to the videos. So there's that option as well. And then the last thing in this video I want to cover is our testimonials plugin, because really this is one of the most critical features in your smart blog. I'd love to see more people taking advantage of it, because this is what people are looking for when they're trying to make a decision of whether or not to use you in your business. And it's not what you say about yourself, it's what other people say about you. So third-party testimonials are critical. So I'm just showing you a sample site. This is one of our longest term clients, Alan Drews, and he has testimonials in his website. And so it's using the functionality that we've pre-built in. We automated the process of adding these testimonials, or built a simple little interface for you to use, because we wanted to make it easy to do. Now, you can use text, video, audio, images, anything to be able to add into these as well, and kind of make them more interactive with people as well. So what I want to show you, though, is that what we're going to do is go into his dashboard, and I'll show you a little bit about how that looks from a customer's perspective. And what ends up happening is all we're going to do is we're going to go over into this part right here that says testimonials. So again, all you have to do is look for this little testimonials link, and I'm going to pull that up, and it's going to have the list of all of the different testimonials that we have in Alan's site. Now, if you wanted to add a new testimonial, all you do is go here, click Add New Testimonial, and then it's just typing in the text. So this is a sample. Alan's great, which he is great. And then basically you would just type in the text here. Now, here's what's really cool. If you wanted to be able to add a photo, you could just go into the media library if it's already up there, and just pick something that's, let's just use this one as an example, and we can insert that into the post, so that would show up right here. And I'm going to show you, since I have something else going here too, just real quick, how you can actually put a YouTube video. It's super simple to do. You just click that little YouTube link right there, and let me jump over here to YouTube, and say you have a video on your YouTube channel that you want to be able to embed in there. So we'll go to MySMARTblog, and we'll grab this testimonial video of Todd Finnan giving a testimonial for us, because we use this. You can go see Todd right on our testimonials page. But click on this little share button right here. It gives you the URL. You can also just go right up into the top here, and you can copy it too. But all you have to do is just take this URL, copy it, and here's how easy it is. You just go right back in here, put the URL in there, and we can get rid of this little and feature list thing there. So it's just the actual video itself. And then you just click OK. Now here's what's cool. You see that it's in brackets right down here? And so now what's going to happen is you're going to see the text. We'll have this image here, and we'll have the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Save Draft for the moment. And then we're going to preview. And one thing that you want to do is, like, it's easier a lot of times to just click Open a New Tab. So what I did is right-click and click Open a New Tab. And so then I keep the actual editor on Open in one and then just switch tabs. But see, this is how easy it is. So that text would be right here. This is a new one. The image that you want to use is right here. It popped in the video. Just click play.
Hi, I'm Todd Finnan, and you can find me at calltoddfortyler.com.
Anyway, that's just something that Todd and I went to lunch one day, and I was hanging out with him, and he's a huge supporter of MySMARTblog here in the Phoenix market and works for Old Republic Title. And he and I were sitting there, and so I had my little flip cam, and we were talking about testimonials, and I said, hey, would you mind if I shoot a quick testimonial and tell people what you think about the company? And so we did it, sitting right there at lunch, and shot it, and we've been able to use that testimonial ever since. So it just shows you how easy it is to get this stuff if you just want to. And now everybody has a video recorder, camera on their phone. So just you can be sitting with a client or someone that you know well that likes the way you do business. Shoot a quick video testimonial, upload it to your YouTube account, and then drop it right into your website. It's that quick and easy, and it makes all the difference in the world when other people come to your site and they're trying to check you out. They can see what someone else says about you. So pretty cool stuff there too. So that's how the testimonials works. You just add it just like that. If I clicked publish, it would go live on his site and it would be in the list of testimonials. But in this case, I'm just keeping a draft. But that's how it works. So go back to the testimonial screen here, and I'm going to go to the full list of testimonials. And since we aren't going to keep that one, all I have to do is go right here to where the list is. I'll click on trash, and it'll move that one to the trash and no longer be in Alan's site. So go to trash, empty trash, and it's gone forever. There's no more trace of that being in his site ever. So that's the way that works. We'll go back out to the dashboard. I hope that video is helpful for you. And again, we have another live question and answer happening. It's not this Friday. It is Friday the 7th. And so Friday, February 7th, it's going to be at 9 o'clock Pacific, and so that's 12 o'clock Eastern. We will be recording it. I'll do a better job of getting the actual video so you'll actually see the live one. In the meantime, if you have any questions that you'd like us to answer live on that webinar, you'd like to join us there, just send them into support and request they're added to the list of questions for the webinar. And you never know, if we get too many of them and I feel like we want to jump in and do something beforehand, we may just answer some questions via video, post them on the support site, and send you out a little notification that we've done that as well. So anyway, hope you all having a great week. I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.